Hey guys, welcome back to Code Streak Daily. In today's video, we are going to solve the lead codes problem. It's string compression 3. Okay, let's see the problem description here. Given a string word, compress it using the following algorithm. Begin with an empty string comp. While word is not empty, use the following operation. Remove maximum length of prefix of word made of a single character C, repeating at most 9 times. Append the length of the prefix followed by the C to comp. Then we have to return the string comp. Okay, here we have word A, B, C, D, E, and the output is 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D, and 1E. Initially, the comp is initialized as an empty string. We have to apply the algorithm 5 times, choosing A, B, C, D, and E as a prefix in each operation. And for each operation, append 1 followed by the character to comp. Here we have another example. Here we have a string word, and the output is 9A, 5A, and 2B. I guess 9 plus 5 equals to 14, so there must be 14 A's and 2 B's. So initially we will initialize the comp to the empty string and apply the operation 3 times, choosing 9 A's once and 5 A's again and 2 B's as the prefix in each operation. So here for prefix 9 A's we have to append 9 followed by A to comp, and for prefix 5 A's we have to append 5 followed by A to comp, and for prefix 2 B's we have to append 2 followed by B to comp. Then we have to return the string comp. So it's basically we have to we have to count how many times a character has repeated in a string. That's the question. But the basic twist is we can count the character at most 9 times. That is, if a character is repeating more than 9 times, then we have to set the count value to 0 and start it again from 1. Okay, that's the only major twist here we have got. Okay, so let's dive into solving the problem. Here we have a class solution and a function compress the string, and the word is passed and we have to return string as output. Okay, so we start by initializing com as a empty string. That's done, and now we have to take our index value. Okay, we'll take I equals to 0 as our index, which we'll use to go through each character in word, and we'll use another variable n equals to length of the word. Okay, this will help us know when we have reached the end of the string. Now we have to take a loop. Okay, we'll take a while loop and we'll process all the characters in the word. Inside this loop, we'll process one character or a sequence of repeated characters at a time. Okay, so while I is less than n, and in this what we are doing in this loop, we are setting the count value to 1 because we have encountered this character at least once. We also set char to word of I. Okay, we are taking another variable char to word of I, which is the current character we are processing. Okay, so in this while loop I am taking a nested while loop. Okay, I am taking another while loop. While I plus count is less than n and word of I plus count must be equal to char, and also we have to check another condition, count is less than 9. In that case what we are going to do, we are just incrementing the count value by 1. Okay, I'll tell you everything here. I plus count less than n, this will ensure that we don't go past the end of the string, and word of I plus count equals to char. Okay, this checks if the next character is same as the current character or not, and count less than 9 ensure we only count up to 9 consecutive characters. Okay, each time all three conditions should be true, then only we are going to increment the count value by 1. Next, what we have to do, we have to append the count and character to the result. Okay, so comp plus equals to, what we are doing, we have converting count to string, and as well as we are adding the current character. So here actually in this loop, if the current character is not same as the next character, then this loop will exit. and we have to append the how many counts we have, that means how many times the character has repeated, that we have converting it into string, and also the character we are appending it into the comp. That's it. Okay, this will create the compressed string for the sequence of characters. For instance, if we have 5 consecutives a, then we will add 5 in this, and also the character a. Okay, next we have to increment what? We have to increment the I value, I plus equals to 1. So once we have processed the current character, we are just incrementing the 1. So it skips over the characters we just processed. Like if count was 9, I moves forward by 9, allowing us to continue with the next unprocessed character or character sequence. Okay, next what we have to do, we just have to return comp. That's it. Once the loop has processed all the characters in the word, we will return the comp as our result. Now let's run the code and check. Oops. Okay, 9A, 9A. Okay, okay. I think this this is where I might have made a mistake. Give me a second. I just made a small mistake. This is where I plus equals to count. It's not 1. Now let me run the code. Yes, as you can see, all our test cases are passed. Now let me submit the code and check. As you can see, we have a runtime of 207 milliseconds and it beats 73.05% of users. Okay, that's a good number to get satisfied with, but I know we have set a high standards for us, like having a 95 plus beats, and we also have a 100% beats, but this is okay. That's a good number, and I hope this explanation is helpful. And if you found this video helpful, please do hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to do not miss any update from our channel. Okay, see you in the next video guys. Until then, keep streaking.